Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my 03 Mustang GT bone stock, and I was gonna keep it stock pretty much, but then stock is no bueno. So what we're gonna do today is I want to fit a Magnaflow exhaust on it. It's from my old Mustang. It's I used it on my V6 Mustang, and that thing was sounding pretty sweet. So hopefully we are gonna get the same results on this car. So I'm gonna show you a startup and we're gonna do a few pulls, but if you already have a stock GT, you already know how it sounds. So this is the beauty, fully decked out. So next thing is we're just gonna put those mufflers on and see how she sounds, and obviously we'll still have to get more like things done to it. I really want to upgrade the brakes, I really want to do the springs, but yeah, for right now let me give you a start and we're gonna do a drive and see the results after we install those mufflers. But I'm hoping it's gonna sound pretty good. I was gonna take off on the parking lot, but for some reason it just starts peeling. But here's the sound inside. Alright, this is with the roof up and windows down. Let's see. Stock doesn't sound bad, but you know, aftermarket parts are always great. Let's do it. Here are my two Magnaflows that I used on my V6. They're literally see-through. They just have like a mesh inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how it is. All right, so let's see what needs to be done to put them on the car. I also got the car elevated. And let's see what's underneath. Should be simple, but could be hard. We'll see. So on the bottom of the Mustang, the inlet is on the right side, the outlet is on the left side. However, since I had a dump below before the axle, it's in the middle. So what I bought is about 90-degree elbow that I'm gonna kind of cut and kind of make a nest where it goes this way. So right now what I want to do is I want to chop off the OEM exhaust right before the axle, which is right there, and unbolted right there. Once I get that out, and I'll show you the difference. So the OEM ones I cut off, as you can see, this is the outlet to the tailpipe, and that's the inlet. As you can see on this one, it's on the right side, but the inlet is kind of on the wrong side. Same thing as this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna 90 it, and I'll cut this in half and I'll turn it the other way, so hopefully it should kind of line up in this area where I need it. So I'm gonna chop this next and mock up underneath it. All right, the 90 is cut in half, and this is how it's gonna be. Almost lines up to the pipe where it's supposed to be. So next I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right, so this is how she's gonna stay. So now I'm just gonna tack her in and weld her up off the car. All right, here is a passenger side. So the back is just gonna be clamped and this is gonna be bolted on. So next side is driver's side and we should be done. All right, here she is all done. If you can see it from this side, and let's go hit it from the back too. And that's how she is. I'm using the clamps in the back until I figure out the bigger pipe in the back as well. So it's all good. Let's start her up. I like it. Alright, we'll do more when it's light outside. Now it's dark. Let me give it a little rev. Alright, she's all done. So now I'm gonna give you a semi-cold start and then I'm gonna take off again like last time and see how she sounds. Alright, here is a point of view. Windows up. That's pretty good. And when you're at a higher RPM you can hear it, but like when you're on the freeway and you're driving 65, 75, it is really quiet. You can't even hardly hear it. And that's what I was going for. I don't want to like loud obnoxious exhaust when you're driving, because you know you gotta enjoy your ride somehow. And if you're just like going like this, taking off, you can tell that there is an exhaust. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned